Yes,
Definitely.
and obviously we're privileged because we small classes and two teachers working together.
İkisi okul kichkina sinfda ders beramiz birgalikda.
The first time in my life, 31 years teaching, that,
31 yillik karyeramda birinchi marta men
that I had to work with other teachers.
birinchi marta boshqa o'qituvchilar ishlashga to'g'ri keldi menga.
And it was strange and quite
Bu
difficult at first.
noodatiy edi va qiyin edi boshida.
But now I see the benefits.
Lekin men hozir foydadan ko'rdim.
We do a lot of discussion
Biz juda ko'p tahlil qilamiz,
and planning together,
birga rejalar tuzamiz,
and we can give support at different times
bir-birimizni qo'llab-quvvatlaymiz turli vaqtlarda
to individual students.
va yakka tartibdagi haligi alohida o'qiyotgan o'quvchilarga, yakka tartibda qanaqa tashkilot o'quvchilarga alohida yordam beramiz deyapti.
So now I'm used to working with a co-teacher, but it's very unusual.
Sherik ustoz bilan ishlash bu juda noodatiy, lekin juda zo'r, yaxshi.
In England, we don't
Ingliz tilida Angliyada bunaqa emas.
So
What about your opinion about our students, like their intelligent qualities or their skills?
Literacy.
sure. I think
Our Uzbek students.
O'ylaymanki,
there's certainly challenges
aniq bir qancha muammolar bor, qiyinchiliklar
because
bor.
they are having to learn a different approach to mathematics.
Matematikani turli xil yo'llarni o'rganmagan.
So Uzbek mathematics, I think I've seen, for example, the grade 8 algebra book. I've seen this one, and it's more formulaic, like procedural learning and repeating formulas.
Bitta formulani qaytaraman.
Matematik kitoblari juda o'qishga undaydigan bo'ladi.
I think Cambridge is more problem-solving approach.
Mana bu Cambridge tomonidan bo'lsa, muammo hal qilish tomonidan ko'p yuradi. Cambridge
And
kitoblari.
perhaps a broader range of contexts for mathematics. So
Katta
real life
kitobdagi
situations.
matnlardan ko'proq ishlaydi. Cambridge yo'li.
Hayotiy muammolar ko'p. Misol bizda kasblar, masalalar ko'p bo'lsa, o'zbek matematikasida Cambridge'da anaqa bir masala beradi.
Tanqidiy fikrlashib,
Ko'proq matnlar beradi. O'zbekiston tushunmayapman misol.
Because
Terminda bu.
many of the students are looking to study abroad, to go to America, England, Germany.
Ko'plab o'quvchilar chetda o'qishga qiziqadi. Amerika, Germaniya, Angliya.
So their approach to mathematics will be different, as well as having to do it in English.
Matematik tomondan borish boshqacharoq bo'ladi. Angliyada ham misol uchun matematika O'zbekistonda ham tekin qo'shsa, to'g'ri, Angliyada ham faqat yo'nalish boshqaryapti.
Okay.
Finished? Oh, great, fantastic. So, how are we doing tonight? I think. Okay, so can I ask you, how would you introduce the unit circle?
Qanaqa tushuntirasiz? Aynan.
Do you think using 30 degrees is a good place to begin?
Boshlashga yaxshimi shu? Shunaqa tushuntirsak?
Yes. So I think just identifying one angle
Bitta burchakni aniqlaysiz
on your unit circle and spending time exploring this.
va buni vaqt sarflaysiz buni o'rganishga.
If this is done well,
Agar bu yaxshi qilingan bo'lsa,
then finding other angles becomes easier.
boshqa burchaklarni topish osonroq bo'ladi. Agar aniqsiz bo'lsa.
Any angle between 0 and 90, you can form your right angle triangle.
1 va 90 orasidagi har qanday burchak
So the students can explore different angles using the unit circle.
mana bu bir foydalangan holda turli xil darajalarni kashf qilish mumkin o'quvchilar o'zlari. Grafiklar xos qilish mumkin.
And this is important, making a connection between unit circle and the actual sine curve.
Sin grafning o'rtasida bog'liq bo'lishi muhim.
and the cosine.
Tepada hamma o'rtasida bog'liq bo'lishi muhim.
So we're only looking from 0 to 90 degrees.
Biz birdan 90 gacha qaraymiz xolos.
These key
Yan
points,
darajaga.
key points,
Ular
30,
kalam
60 and 90.
o'rtasi.
Okay. Then these will repeat
Bu keyin bu qaytariladi.
for positive values of sin x.
Musbat qaytariladi.
And then you can go back to this and you introduce the second quadrant.
Ikkinchi ko'rinish.
Chorak.
So when we go to our diagram, okay, red is cosine.
Kosinus. Red qizillar kosinus ekan.
Can you ask what does cosine mean?
Zeno.
What does it mean?
Kosinus. Kosinus.
So what is co short for? What is co short for? CO.
Ko nimani his qilmas? Kosinus.
It's abbreviation of cosinus.
Yeah.
Abbreviations of cosinus.
Okay.
Short form of cosinus.
No. Co is short for complementary. Complementary.
Complementary angle.
Yes. Complementary.
Ko to'g'rilikni bilsasini boshqarar ekan.
100.
Katetlar to'g'risidagi
So it's the complement of sine. Cosine is a complement of sine. So this is an important concept.
Nazariya.
bugun shuni o'rgandim.
So when we teach mathematics, we should think about the words
Albatta o'rgatgan paytimizda so'zlarga e'tibor berishimiz kerak.
and the meaning of the words.
Va albatta ma'nosiga ham.
So we know that if you have cos of 30, this is the same as sine of 60. And complementary angles, did I write it down? I'm not sure. I don't think I wrote it down. But basically, yeah, if you have cos 30 equals sine 90 minus 30. So they are complementary.
Agar
I don't know if that's easy to explain.
Cosinus 60 taryapti.
90 gradus deydan misol ayrisiz sinus 90 minus alfa
90dan qanchadir ayrisiz.
o'shanisi 90 minus 90 minus alfa
Ha, shu.
What is missing?
nima yetishmayapti? Nima yetishmayapti?
What is missing? We
Nima
have
yetishmayapti?
cos, right, sine, and tangent. So
Tangent.
now you can have a discussion about how do you find the tangent of an angle.
Buchaning tangesini qanday topishimiz haqida muhokama qilishimiz mumkin.
We divide to
Cosinus
to
cosinus.
cosinus.
So if I had tan of 45 degrees,
It's 1.
it's cos of 45, sine of 45, sine of 45 divided by cos of 45 is
1.
1. Okay, and we have our equilateral, sorry, isosceles triangle unit length. These are equal, yes, isosceles.
Teng oluvchi burchak.
Ular tomonlar teng
Yo'q.
Let's go back to this one. Okay, so we have sine of 30 is a half, yes? What is sine of 150?
150.
Sine of 150.
150 sinus.
Okay, it's the same. Cos 180 minus 30.
150.
So if we know this is a half, okay,
Agar biz buni yarmiligini bilsak, yarim ekanligini bilsak,
then positive half, because
musbat yarim, musbat
positive
yarim.
values of sine on the vertical axis. Positive values of sine on the vertical axis, above 0, and negative values of sine.
Noldan tepasi xullas musbat, pasti manfiy deyapti.
Sinusda.
Ya?
all of these have the same numerical value, but the
Hammasini
signs are
raqamli
different.
matematik bir xil hammasini. Mana bu raqam matematik bir xil deyapti.
So important principle, just one angle. We're looking at one angle, and the students can use this to see, and they can move this to see, explore different angles.
Bundan turli xil burchakdan hosil qilishda foydalanish mumkin bo'ladi kurslarimiz.
Any other ideas how you can use this for teaching?
Buni ishlatish boshqa g'oyalar ham bormi kimdadir? Boshqacharoq qilib ishlab tushirsa ham bo'ladimi? They think it's easiest way.
Sure.
Elementler düşürüşte liginden faydalanmamız
They have difficulties to teach for 18 degrees, 72 degrees, for example 24 degrees. They have some difficulties on the 26 degrees. To teach these degrees.
Without a calculator or with a calculator?
Without calculator.
Without calculator.
Yeah, because in our exam we don't allow calculator.
See, I don't, because we use calculators, so I wouldn't know how to do this. He's saying
Kalkulator bilan ishlatsangizmi, kalkulator sizmi? Kalkulator sizda.
this is more complex.
Bunda qiyinroq bo'ladi.
But we
I don't
must.
know, so if you have anything to suggest.
Agar tanlash bo'lsa,
Shashli ishlatadi. Similarity. Shashli ishlatamiz. 18-70 kunlar uchun.
easiest ways, easier ways if you have.
Kam tushiradi. Bu narsalar kam tushiradi.
Bo'lmasa gap.
Chiqarsa bo'ladi.
Without guessing, how can they teach the students without memorizing, without learning by heart?
You have a table of figures to use. Instead of a calculator, you have a table. Yeah, I'll show you. Can I take this off and bring it back?
Misol yozlatishlar bunaqa o'yin o'ynashadi bizda kim vaqtga qo'yamiz kim birinchi o'sha jadvalni tezda yozib berishi kerak bo'ladi. Endi bolalar chiqib man chiqib tezda jadvalni to'ldirish vaqtga qo'yib qo'yamiz sekundan beri kim tez to'ldirsa ha prize beriladi shunaqa. Ot chizishyapti. Jadval chizishyapti. Yodlash ham oson.
30'larda bo'ladi.
Mayli ishdaylik ustozlar endi. Ishlang.
Can you put the presentation? Okay, so we can solve the inequalities now. And if you can draw a unit circle to help show the values that you are trying to calculate, that would be great. So there are two questions.
PC.
Okay, can you see?
And tengsizlik.
Okay, if you can try the first one, and this may be useful. Double angle identities.
You are saying that it's impossible without memorizing it? Without memorizing the table?
Yeah, you need to know. So we call them exact string values. So there's certain ones on 30, 60.
Ular yo'llamasdan iloji bo'lgan.
They would have to know. Yes. For other ones, I don't know how you would calculate them without a calculator. Or you have a table of angles.
Buradaki burçaklerde formülasyon var. Cevap.
Step ko'rasiz Jasur 5 step ko'radi.
Do you want to do it? Is it possible to have this one?
bo'ladi
Dev şekilde kutu dev.
yo bo'ladi o'rtani ona ashu duchkani yes of course this one
Bir yazın.
This one? Are you going to use radians?
ona boring annotationga boring
Ona aytdi.
Katta deyapti doğru.
yaxshi endi nima deydi PN miles
Nizam anaqa yo'q qoldi.
So if a student was asking you why did you draw a line here,
Eğer ulucu bu yerden gayet siz soruyordun olsa.
how would you explain?
Ha şu biraz.
Bir taqsim 2 mana bu yerda 60 gradus bor.
Here's a 60.
Sure.
Yo'q, plus 60 gradus suvda endi minus hisobiga bu yoqqa minus yuryapti, bu yerga manfiy yo musbatli uchun.
From here, positive, negative.
Would you be able to use this to demonstrate?
İşte tarafını göz ya. Ne var şimdi tarafını şu orada.
Would it help? Do you think for a
Yola
student?
bir aramış. Göz ya.
Ham bersa kerak.
So I think allowing your students to explore, you have 60 degrees. So you can say, oh, 60 degrees, which
6
one?
derece.
Belgilab olib turib o'sha yerda
Chizish kerak.
belgilash kerak.
Aha.
60 gradusda. Endi buni kim qiladi buni?
men
Jicha to'g'ri kelmay turibdi-da.
Mana, Jasurbek.
Ha, o'zdagidan foydalanadi.
Gradusda endi belgilab
Minus 60
Okay.
degree.
Sure.
shunday
And same for negative, yeah? Manfiga masalan.
masofa bir xil. Masofa bir xil.
The same distance.
Tomonga ko'tariladi.
Okay.
Bu tomonga tushiriladi.
So this is positive cos x. This is negative cos
Negative
x.
cos x.
Musbat manfi.
Yeah. And this is
Perpendicular.
straight up.
Perpendicular line.
So you're shading here. So it's all the values from here to here. And from here
Negative.
to here.
Parallel lines.
And why? Can you explain this bit?
Davr.
Age.
Period.
Period.
Period. Age.
So how many solutions?
Many solutions.
İşte
Infinite.
işi var.
Many solutions.
Infinite solutions. Great. Thank you.
Geçen çok.
Does someone want to do the second one?
Incept. Ne kadar değil? Same.
Same.
Or second.
Şimdi bitti o zaman. Son 12'ni görüyoruz.
Şurası 6'ya bölmüştük.
Teacher, could you explain your way, your method? This way?
Yes.
Ben söyleyeceğim ya.
Fakat küçüklük ağzına olabilir.
Which one is stop?
Yes.
Küçüklüğün olanı endi.
Saving. You are saving.
Bir
Take the annotations.
You are delete.
Udaletni bosing.
No, take off the annotation.
Udaletni yana bitta bosing va udaletni yana bosing deyapti. Udaletni yana bos deyapti.
Yetkini siz ne yapacaksınız?
What is this? Stop?
VT qiling. Yo'q, hoji aka VT qiling. VT.
Okay, good. So, to finish, I think it's worth exploring both ways for inequalities.
Deniz yani gelip çıktı yolda
The same question, the students can think about, okay, which part of the graph are they going to show for the solutions of the inequality? So they have both diagrams to help them understand.
ularga tushuntirishga oson bo'lishi uchun ikkala diagrammani ham chizib olishingiz kerak bo'ladi. Tushunishga oson bo'lishi uchun.
And then
Plus bo'ladi.
they can choose which they prefer. Sometimes I prefer
Ular
this,
o'zlari tanlab olishadi, qaysi tillar ularga osonligini.
but this method is good because you don't have to continue the cycle.
Bunisi osonroq.
Repetition.
Buni davom ettirishga shart emas. Pastdagi go'sha davom ettirish shart emas. Tepadagiga osonroq.
So both are good.
Sen yaxshi tepadaga oson.
Nechida tugadi 3-bor?
So we're nearly finished. Any more questions?
Biz tugashimiz kerak, savollar bor.
Bir xil ekan deyishyapti.
Bir xil
Bir xil ekan.
Can I ask a question?
Hozir dars tugatyaptimi?
Ha.
Nima bo'yicha tangens bo'yicha o'zini grafikadan tushuntirishamikan? Biz o'zini grafikadan tushuntiramiz. Tangens
Savol yozing.
faqat sinus
Tangens 30 gradusni qanday topadi bular o'sha.
How to define tangents 30 degree?
Inequalities. Inequalities.
Inequality.
Tengsizlik. Inequalities.
We'll save this for next time.
Tengsizlik emasmi?
Shundagi 30 gradusni misol uchun biz sinus yo'q, shundan ham bizdan
It's a good question.
grafikadan ko'rsanizlar ham tangesga grafikadan yechasizlarmi?
Ha, shunada grafik yo'llamasini ochib yo'qdi boya.
Ha, grafikada.
Chap, meni kuchim yetmaydi, sen o'zing chap dedi. Kompyuter nima olib kelding?
9 sinfgacha dars berishar ekanda.
Sirkularlarni avtoshilda yozib olsak.
Birlik aylanada ishlasa bo'ladimi yoki shu
Birlik aylanada ne bo'lamiz?
birlik aylanada
To'g'ri, shuni shu siz tushunishdi bizda. Faqat bu narsalar aslida biz 9larda ham o'tilmaydi, 11da o'tiladi.
o'sha
Onun birlarda
pi taqsim ichidan pi taqsim 2 gacha bo'ladi o'shalar ham.
Mana bo'ladi, misol uchun 30 bo'lsa, bunday bo'ladi.
3 kerak.
Hop, Mana bu tangangiz o'qib bo'lganda
O'zbekiston uch taqsim uch bo'ladi. Bu ketasi.
qaysi taraf bo'yaladi hozir? Mana masalan
Tepasi bo'ladi. Tepasi. Katasi
bo'yaladi.
tepasi olamiz, ketasi ikkigacha bo'ladi.
Agar tangangiz
Bu taqsim uzun
Endi ulardachi tilda yaxshi zo'r bilishgani uchun olib kelishganda, to'g'rimi?
mana shunaqa bo'lsa, aniq olamiz. Mana nimaga 30 dan 90 ga olamiz.
pi taqsim olti plus pi. Va pi taqsim ikkigacha plus pi.
Lekin bu tarafda ham bo'laveradi. Bu taraf ham bo'laveradi.
Cheksizgacha bo'ladi. Aka pi taqsim ikkini qabul qilmaydi.
Mana undan 90 gacha ilik pi'ni o'sha davrni qo'shib qo'yamiz.
Fikrini tushunmayapsizlar. Narigi oraliq pastdagi tomonda
Bu tarafda ham bo'ladi.
Davrni qo'shamiz.
Davrni qo'shamiz, menga tushunmayapti. Mana bu qism ham o'sha javob bo'ladi.
Bo'ladi. Ikkalasi ham mana shu bo'ladi.
O'rtasida endi o'rniga minus qo'yamiz.
Undan keyin o'shtangiz o'ziltirib ketyapti.
To'g'ri so'z.
Lekin mana usul yaxshiroq bo'ladi. Chunki katta burchaklarda kattanganizda mana bu bo'ladi.
bu tomon bo'ladi.
Men birinchi sinfda boraman.
Sizlar bu aha matematikadan umuman farq qilamizlar matematikadan? Cambridge. Baribir o'shandan ko'chirishdi dedik-ku. Is it different with aha mathematics with Cambridge? It is like a method of Singapore.
So, because I only teach to a certain level, this is beyond me.
Our primary school, we teach aha mathematics like method of Singapore.
Sure.
But Cambridge is different than Singapore.
It has similarities.
Do you have any?
Yeah, Singapore maths is more like conceptual, concrete, pictorial, abstract. Because primary school age, Singapore is more for primary school.
And teacher.
It's present for you. We should have a picture. We can hold on. We should have a picture.
Our students prepare for business school. Meeting with my students.
This is top of the range. Top of the range. Very good.
Eng yuqori darajadagi anaqa ekan.
Let's say this.
Top number one.
Would you like a picture with us with our?
Yes, of course. Qirqimabmiz.
Olmabmiz, a?
Yeah, bring.
Men komps.